Hi guys, this is a quick tip about cleaning normal maps. A lot of time when we are making low poly cylinders and we got this kind of details in the normal maps that we made out of baking high poly into low poly, we got this sort of normal maps. It might look okay, but if you look a bit closer, it got wavy pattern here and also on the bottom. And also the beveling on the top and the beveling on the bottom disappears. So how we solve that? We select one portion of this normal map with only 1 pixel of width and we stretch it here and here. Now there's no more waving pattern, and also the beveling is all the way on the top and the same for the bottom. And now if we look in Blender, this cylinders was the raw version of this normal map with no cleaning, and this one has the cleaning. So here we can see this wavy pattern also on the bottom, and here is okay. So this is a good way to clean normal maps on cylinders.